All right, these are going to be the elevators here in the Beachside Tower at Cabana Bay Beach Resort here in Orlando. I gotta use my room key to enter. Hopefully we can get in. Might be smart keyed to get in. There we go. And this is one of 2 new towers that was added to the hotel since my last stay here when Volcano Bay was built. Just like the original buildings here though, these are newer Otis Series 2s, Gen2s. And we got this one. Pretty basic cab. Let's go up to 11. The fixtures on this car are in really good shape.
Sixth floor.
Stop on 6.
Going up.
That was weird.
Eleventh floor. Going down.
Let's go to 1. Basic, but they're nice.
First floor. Going up.
Going up. What floor?
11, please. Thank you.
Cool.
That's ridiculous.
11th floor.
You have a good one.
Going down.
We'll get off on 1. Get a view of both indicators.
First floor.
And here we are.
Going up.
And well, there it goes. That'll be it.